Hello guys, this Fatai Oluwapelumi Lumibanks here, and this my quick analysis on XAGUSD. So if you are a XAGUSD silver trader, um, this is for you definitely, because some people trade major currency pairs, but I trade anything I find opportunity in, as far as there is opportunity. But I major on the major, if you get that. Yeah. Um, for silver, quickly let's run through it, and I'm going to be showing my line up quickly. We saw here in the past how silver, went up through the roof. Yeah, this is way back 1980, right? Some people will probably think I'm crazy for going that far. Well, it's history. It's the data that the instruments present us with, and we gotta work with that as far as we have it. Yeah. So price round through the $48 per silver, right? Okay. Here too we are seeing it, and this is 2001. 2001 we saw silver saw you know just around the $48. Let's leave it here. $48 per silver. And then here we are again, and I'm thinking that you know 2024, 2025, maybe in 2 months time we probably run to the same area. It's a massive gap between here and there, but what is it that is impossible in movement for this market? Because if you look at it in 2011, right? This is 2011, right? Oh my bad, I said 2001. This is 2011 actually. So if you look at it here, it only takes our price. It takes silver 3 months to go from 27.00 to 48 level. It takes 3 months, and I think the move have started already. Why do I say that? First, let's look at the monthly. Let me zoom it in a bit, right? So I hope you can see this clearly. Looking at it here, this is just top-down analysis, and then let's see how you run through it. Look at this on the monthly time frame, and before the move commences here, look at this big retracement, a 1 month retracement. This is the monthly time frame, right? So there is this red candle, then the green follows. If we zoom out, or if we look at it on the lower time frame, you see what happens here, right? Which I'm still going to do in a few minutes. So we saw this retracement, and then boom. So price is trying to do the same thing, and it means this area of retracement, because we have range, we range price range really here, around here, even after going high. So it marks this place an important zone to watch out for in the future. That okay, if price, this could act as a major support or resistance, or supply or demand, whatever you call it, turning point zone in the future. And here is it, right here. You can see it on the monthly here too, that this very zone acted as a supply zone, right? And after going up, down, up, down, then retracements here, to maybe discount zone, and then boom, all the way to this side, and then we have this up move from there. A lot of things here on the weekly, but I won't be going through that. I just have an analysis here, and how we can all enjoy this long ride, potential long ride, right? And then look, yeah, I'm just focusing on monthly for now. So here again, you can see this zone here. Here again, you see how it ranges on the monthly time frame. We see 1 2 3 negative months, and you can see the weeks. So it was signifying like involuntary of buyers and seller, or a massive dragging, a massive uh, will I say, they were dragging it, they were dragging the price. So yeah, and then price settled alas, and then they there was a 2 months that goes up, and then a good retracement, a good 1 month retracement. I see this as a very, very good opportunity. This red candle right here, a very good opportunity, because if you had not gotten into this trade here, which is a turning point here that we've established, like it happens here and happens here, just like this kind of 2 month retracement here that gives this massive sell. There'll probably still be retracement in the future like this, but if you miss this, and I just think this negative month here is an opportunity to enter. So I'm going to zoom to the weekly chart and have my drawing back. Where at the I want to bring my drawing back. Okay, sorry guys. So here is it on the monthly. Still my drawing appearing on the monthly time frame here. The reason for this is because price could give entry around here for a buy. Why? After going up, it could give maybe a retracement or any buy signal here, and I'm ready to take it. That's why I put this one here. But right now I'm in a buy already. So let's look at the weekly. So having established on the monthly what is going on, like this is the zone on the monthly, the zone that I said, okay, if you miss this buy here, here is another opportunity to capitalize on the buy. And you can see what is happening on weekly already, on weekly. And let me tell you one cheat about silver, right? This is meant for my exclusive group, right? But let's make it free here on YouTube. So whenever silver wants to buy or sell, you see that on the weekly it requires patience, because on the weekly it's usually land twice. There is this up move, for instance, and then it comes down to that same zone, then it proceeds up. So whenever there will be a major buy or major sell, price really tarries around certain area. Even on the weekly, watch out for it on the weekly. All the buys, all the sells, look at this, it takes its time. Price come on the weekly, not just the second week it touch the same zone or the resistance zone and then sold off. No, there is like a 1 week or 2 week gap, then another touch, then sell. So if you know how to track this, it's just based on my observation so far. See that okay, this is what silver always do. And here again, if you look at it here, same thing can happen. Look at it here too. So I see the same pattern repeating itself, 1 week and 1 week in between, and then look at the gap and then it touch here, and this week is going up. Now I've been in this buy earlier, right? And then I almost got tapped out by this. Actually, I was just saved by it's not up to by just few gaps between the price and my stop loss. And here we are again. I was very sure that this is going to run up, having established this. Well, I hate it when I am in a trade and the price is threatening my stop loss. Yeah, so this is it on the weekly. As far as I'm concerned, we are ready to run here, but not absolutely to the roof, right? So I still expect that. I still believe that okay, probably there will be a up movement and then a retracement. Let me move to the daily to show us that. So this is what has been happening lately on the daily and the 4 hours. If I zoom this to 4 hours, I'm not willing to do that right now so that this video will not be too long. If I zoom into the 4 hours, even as it is obvious on the daily, it's even clearer on the 4 hours. This gray area that I mark is a turning point, is usually a turning point. So you see it here, it happens. It's really obvious on the 4 hours. You can check it on your chart. Look at it here too. There is a massive run that happened here to the downside, and then this place acted as a retracement zone. The price retraced to this zone and dropped massive before the massive drop. So you see this place too, this very place acting as support now. Yeah, so price creates, certain bounces off here and then goes up here and then retrace back to this zone and then up, then another retracement. From this zone we have others going up and back, going forth and, to and forth. So here we've established what happens on the weekly time frame, and this is heading up right now. So I expect that by the time we break this high, or we just make an equal high around here, price is just going to retrace back into this zone. I don't mind having my order that is active already. It's not so much, just some 0.5%. Yeah, because I know that there will be retracement all along, definitely. And my first TP will be this zone. I'll be taking partial around here. So I expect that this gives me an equal highs here, or a little break, a little break of this high on the daily time frame here, and then retracement back here, and then I see something like this candle, or whatever way. I'm just looking for a buy signal in this zone after the break or equal highs here. So that's pretty much it for this Xagusd analysis. I hope you gain something from it. I want you to like the video, subscribe, and share it. Let's have a community here on YouTube, a community of profitable traders. Lumibanks signing out.